Exercise 2. A. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box to describe the personality of the animals. Example: Billy the goat is always ready to help others. He is helpful. So we have to tell about the qualities of different animals. And here in the box there are words like proud, talkative, loyal, selfish, timid, hardworking, sly, lazy. 1. Mr. Fox tricked the little chicken and finally ate it. He is sly. 2. The mice are afraid of Tom the cat. They are timid, hiding in the hole, not daring to come out. 3. Jerry the wolf only thinks of himself. He is selfish and has few friends. 4. Brownie the dog watches over his owner's house. He is a loyal watchdog. 5. A bee walks non-stop, moving from one flower to another, collecting nectar. He is a hard-working insect. 6. A peacock likes showing off his beautiful feathers. He is very proud. B. Have fun with the following riddles. All the riddles are about animals. Write the name of the animal in the space provided. 1. I live in Australia. I can jump and keep my little one safe in a pouch in front of me. What am I? Kangaroo. 2. I live in the freezing regions of the earth such as the Antarctic and the Arctic. I look smart in black and white. What am I? Penguin. 3. I have a very long nose and a huge body. My ears are shaped like fans. What am I? Elephant. 4. I have a long body. I crawl on the ground and have no legs. I am smooth and some of my relatives can be poisonous. What am I? Snake. 5. I have a wide and big mouth. I wear a green coat and am happy sitting around eating flies and mosquitoes. What am I? Frog. 6. I am the biggest bird on earth. I have long legs and a long neck. I cannot fly but can run very fast. What am I? Ostrich. Can you create your own animal riddles? Write an animal riddle and get your family or classmates to guess. You might be called this animal if someone thinks that you are afraid. This is something that you might eat as well as its eggs that it laid. I am an animal you might love, but I am too big to be your pet. I have an extremely long trunk, and it's said I never forget. They live in a field. Milk is what they make. They help give us leather and a juicy steak. C. Look at the following pictures. Write one or more sentences using the helping words or phrases given. 1. Hawk, drum, party. When the hawk reached there, he asked the chicken to play the drum at party. 2. Order, chicken, practice. The hawk ordered chicken to practice. 3. Go off, alone, play. The hawk told the chicken that he had to go off and he left the chicken to play the drum. 4. Back, broke, fight. When the hawk came back, he was angry to see a hole in the drum. A fight broke out between chicken and hawk. 5. Owner take drum. The owner of the drum decided to take back the drum. Now write your story in continuous writing in about 100 words. One day a hawk reached a place to meet chicken. He asked them to play the drum at a party. The hawk ordered chicken to practice playing drum. They became happy and started jumping on the drum. He then said that he had to go off, so he left the chicken alone to practice alone. When the hawk came back, he was very angry to see a hole in the drum. There broke a fight between the hawk and chicken. He blamed not to take care of the drum. John, the owner of the drum, came back and decided to take his drum back from them. D. Writing task. Describe your favorite animal. Use these questions to help you brainstorming guidelines. 1. What is your favorite animal? Answer. Cat. 2. How does it look like? Describe in detail. Answer. Soft furry body, shining eyes and long whiskers. 3. Is this animal well liked by most people? Answer. Yes. 4. Where can this animal be found? Answer. It can be found at home. 5. Why do you like this animal? Answer. Because it is a friendly and cute animal. 6. Do you know of anything funny or unforgettable about this animal? Answer. One day the cat chased a rat, but the rat ran away and the cat sat silently in the corner of the house. Now, with the help of the guidelines, write a short composition of about 100 words on your favorite animal. Give your composition a suitable title. The title of the composition is My Favorite Animal. My favorite animal is cat. It is my pet animal. I often see it wandering about here and there on the road. It has a furry body that has a long tail and sharp claws. Cats are often kept as pets. Cats are lions, tigers, and other wild animals in the same family. They are one of the most popular pets in the world. Young one of cat is called as kitten. It makes meow sound. It can be aggressive at times when it is irritated. Cats are found in many colors like brown, golden, white, black, or a mix of any these two colors. E. Practice in creative writing. Complete the following story in your own words. The King of the Forest. Deep in the forest, all the animals gathered to decide who should be the king of the forest. Every animal in the forest wanted to be the new king. A meeting was held to discuss who could be the new king of the forest. First, a tiger stood up and said, I am the most powerful and strongest animal in the forest, so I should be the new king. The giraffe disagreed and said, I should be king because I am the tallest animal in the forest. I can see far ahead and help to look out for animals. When the giraffe ended her speech, a parrot shook its head and said, even if you are the tallest animal of the forest, but you cannot protect all the animals from danger. Suddenly, an eagle spread out its large wings and said proudly, I should be the king because I am the most powerful and fastest animal in the sky. I can capture animals tightly. No, a voice came from the distance. A fox appeared before the animals. He said slowly, I should be king because I am the cleverest animal in the forest. I might not be the biggest, but I can handle matters wisely. At this time, a peacock spread his colorful feathers, and its beauty dazzled all the animals. He spoke softly but proudly. I should be the king because I am the most beautiful animal in the forest. Everyone likes while I am dancing. They are happy to gaze at my colorful feathers. An old lion jumped down from the rock and shouted, I don't agree with all of you. I should be king because I am the fairest animal in the forest. All the animals are fearful of me. Without waiting for the lion to finish his words, the lion cub, the son of the old lion, interrupted and said, I should be king because my father is old now. My father taught me to hunt, and soon all the animals will be afraid of me. All the animals began to argue and fight. After 3 days, none of the animals managed to persuade the others that he should be the new king. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.